is is on an absolute freaking rampage. It is running wild with no end in sight. But the real question is what do you do if you accidentally DCA? What do you do if you double down, triple down on your position? What do you do? Do you instantly kill it? Do you instantly get out of it? Do you instantly growl on your knees and beg for forgiveness? Let's talk about it. P&L recap as well, coming up. So real talk. And no, I haven't DCA'd since last. There's been 2 orders in this series of accounts that I currently have, these 250K accounts, where they do have DCA in them. And I don't mean to rip a band-aid off and bring this back up, but what are you actually supposed to do if you find yourself in a position that you don't want to be in? It's, to me, it is too late to just kill it because you already did it. It's like asking for forgiveness after you committed the crime. Um, I don't know. I don't know what to do. If somebody knows the answer to that, besides "Hey, dummy, just don't do it," well, again, I didn't intentionally do it. If you watch one of the videos I posted earlier, and I'm sure there are countless people across the YouTube platform who can attest to the rhythmic chaos that was the last week, last 2 weeks, Sunday night and Monday morning. It, I guess I clicked the button too many damn times, and it put me in an order an extra time than I intended. So what do you do in that situation? Again, if you add to position 3 times, the third one being an inadvertent one, you're going to take a massive loss if you are in the red. And I'm not, I don't, I think that is penalizing myself for the program not working like it's supposed to. And I don't think that that is smart. I don't think that that is good business to shoot yourself in the foot because your program that you are operating off of isn't working correctly. That's not my fault. Now, I'm not saying that that's Apex's fault. I'm just saying it's not my fault. Um, and it's not like I made $1 million in that trade. Either both of those trades were $200 a piece, $400. But again, what do you do? What is the right answer? I think I already know that answer, and it is trade 10 more days and submit your payout again. That is a crappy answer if that is what it is going to be. But so these trades are from gold last night. Spoiler alert, I think I have taken a total of like 5 trades in the New York session in the past week. I didn't take one trade in the New York session today. But this is what I'm talking about right here. So all of these trades are 5 contract trades. Well, if you look right here, here's 4 and here's 1. What does that mean? I DCA'd when it put me in 4 and then in the 1? Because they're different prices. 0.5, 0.5. I just hovered over it a second ago. Where's the other one? Now's it not going to do it? Oh my God. Yeah, 0.6. So in theory, that is a DCA when I hit 5 contracts. Ugh, it's crazy. This is craziness. This is going to give me an ulcer. So anyway, I scale out of this order. Scale out of that order. That one's what is that one? Two ticks. 2 ticks with 5 contracts is like $150 though. So those were my trades on gold. I tried to hold. I tried to hold this one because I actually was anticipating this move. Um, I went break even and then dropped the take profit down, trying to follow this price lower, and it came back and got me out before the bigger dump right here. Um, Moving on to the NQ, 5 contracts, 10 ticks. Here's the same scenario. 5 contracts. I think this was actually just 2 points, 8 ticks, but it's the same type of scenario. It's splitting the orders. This one, I tried to get in for 5 contracts and only accepted 3. I got out of the 3, and then the last trade for 2 points right here. And that gives us a grand total of $1,000 a piece in these accounts. That's not what I wanted to pull up, though. I wanted to pull up the spreadsheet. That is another one. Another $4,000 day. That gives me $9,700 in those 250K accounts, and that gives me 8 days traded in those now. I couldn't be more elated and happy with how I traded these. And it has a lot to do with not being in the market, because had I traded today, I have a feeling I would have died. I would have been kept looking to short this, and it has done nothing but go straight up. 300 plus points. I mean, just psychologically for me, I'm sure that would have not been a good day for me to trade, because I would have been kept trying to pick a reversal point, be like, okay, it's gonna dump off of this pivot. Okay, it has to dump off of this pivot, and it just keeps on going up higher and higher and higher. But there you go. If any of y'all know what you should do besides not do it, um, I am all ears. I am all ears. Uh, in these accounts, I have, that is the only rule that I have crossed. Right? I don't use a stop, but I have taken a beating in losses in these accounts. Um, I forget what day that was. Was it last Tuesday, maybe? Like back to back, $800 losers. And I've managed to scrape claw my way back and make profitable days every day. There's not, well, I shouldn't say that. Woo! Journeying down a bad road there, but I've really been fortunate to put what I have on the board with these accounts. And I need to keep the magic going for 2 more days. 2 more days, and then I can submit a payout with them, which will be Friday, because, yeah, right? Tuesday, day 9. Well, it can be Thursday. Thursday will be day number 10. So, yeah. Anyway, that is all I got. That is my update. That is my DCA rant. I'm really hoping that they look at those, because there was a rhythmic outage on those days. I really hope that they look at those as an outage, and if not, then I will just have to continue to trade them. I think that's unfair to a lot of people who, I know I am not the only one. As a matter of fact, I had to trade those trades off of this, right? I'm sitting here watching my P&L go from negative back to the green, and that's actually what I did. I came in here and uh, control shift, select all, and then pull working orders and exit positions. That's how I got out of those 2 orders, because I couldn't get back in Quantower. So there you go. That's how that happened. As always, I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I will catch you next time. Take care.